Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix yellow tint on screen in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing this type yellow tint or yellow color on your screen, so let's see how can you fix that. So basically sometimes it might be that your eye comfort sheet is enabled, so you just have to disable this from here. You can also go out to your settings, go to search, just search for eye and you must see eye comfort sheet. Sometimes it might be eye protection, so you just have to make sure that you have disabled this feature. So once you have disabled, your issue might have been fixed. Or if you're still facing the same issue, your icon purchase is disabled, but you're still facing the same issue, your yellow screen or your yellow tint, just go to screen mode here. Make sure that you have selected natural. If you have selected vivid, so you have to make some settings that you have set it to default, like in center, and in advanced settings, you have to set all these maximum and this to minimum here. But best thing I recommend is to select natural from here. And once you have selected natural, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, scroll down to one, go to accessibility here, go to vision enhancement, and here you must see the color correction and color filter. You have to make sure that your color correction is disabled and your color filter is also disabled. And once you have done, your issue will be fixed. But if it's still not fixed your issue, so that's the only way which can fix your issue. You just have to go to main page of your settings, go to general management here, go to reset option, select reset all settings, click on reset settings. So it will not delete any kind of your data, it will not delete your photos, videos, files, documents, or apps, your Google accounts. It will just reset your settings, your security, language, account, personal data settings, and your settings for download apps. So basically, it will not delete any kind of your data, but it will reset all your phone settings, including your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and it will also reset your apps. It will not delete your apps. It will not delete your accounts. It will just remove your account from your app. So you just have to reset your settings, and once I've done, your issue might be fixed because it will also reset your display, so your yellow will be disappeared from your screen. So in this way you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.